make it serious.
Hi. Okay, so we're talking about self-love.
Self-love.
With Arnold, the legend, one and only raw
Well, you know what
vegan.
it is? It's we're each our legends. I mean, right now, for whatever reason, we're together.
We're trying to make
We're
magic
trying to
together.
make magic and just share the love of what we know to people out there who are looking for the next step by creating a serene, quiet environment. So to reach deep within.
And we have different gifts and
Yes.
Messages, right? So,
Yes.
Arnold, what is your message? Bananas.
I'm 75 years old, almost 75. My life works. Simple as that. At 75 years old, almost 75 years old, in my opinion, I got this freaking gorgeous girl here who's sitting next to me and said, let's do a workshop together. As a young man, you know what that means? As a young man of 75, people out there, when they're 70s, they're old. People out there when they're 60s, they're old. People out there when they're 50s, they're old. They're living in an environment that doesn't serve them. You have to create your own environment. And too many people are being caught up in an environment that doesn't serve them. They can't get out of it. We are offering a place where
A holistic place.
where things can change,
where you can shift.
where you can shift.
And where you can live intuitively and start finding where in your life needs recalibrating. We want to give that kind of environment, and that has to do with eating good food, changing what you're putting into your body, and then also what you put into your mind. So
And surround yourself with people who have experience.
yes, and good freaking vibes.
And good
like,
vibes.
We're like sunshine, okay?
Yes, and that makes a big difference. A lot of times you're
does.
put in an environment where it destroys you.
Yes.
You know, wife, husband, job, destroys your being.
So it's also questioning your boundaries and who you are as where you're finding your identity and finding recalibration. And that has to do with unplugging and resetting and changing.
You're offering a perfect environment for that to happen.
Yes. So we're going to be offering private retreats. This is
Private retreats.
our next
Yes.
step. And it's basically, but together, even though we have different messages and we have love.
We have
It's
love.
self-love.
Self-love. It
and
really counts, self-love.
is the
If
main
you don't
thing.
have that, it's a waste. I think it's really, it would be difficult.
Yeah, I don't even know how to move forward if your inner dialogue is not healthy.
Right.
So that's
good.
Yeah, it needs to sit.
And you're going to
shift.
meditate on that.
Yeah, we're going to do meditation. We're going to
Meditation.
do yoga, and there's
Right.
Tai Chi,
Right.
but truly, it's about finding your inner guru and
Right. I love
intuitive
that.
living. Intuitive.
That's what this is about. We just want to share to find your inner guru, to trust yourself as the most powerful force out there. Don't depend on me. Don't depend on her. Depend on yourself. Bye.
Bye.
That was a good one.